Welcome back to Shock Lab. Today we're exploring one of the most fascinating color-changing reactions in chemistry. Our experiment begins with a bright yellow potassium chromate solution. At first, everything looks simple, but that changes the moment hydrochloric acid is added. As the solution becomes acidic, the yellow color slowly changes to a vivid orange. This happens because the chemical equilibrium shifts, converting chromate ions into dichromate species. Even though no new pigment is added, the solution completely changes its appearance. But that's only the beginning. Now comes the most exciting part of the experiment. As hydrogen peroxide is added, the orange solution suddenly transforms into an intense deep blue. The color appears almost instantly, creating one of the most beautiful visual effects in inorganic chemistry. This remarkable blue color is produced by the temporary formation of an unstable peroxide chromium intermediate. Because this species is extremely unstable, it exists only for a short time. Watch closely. The deep blue color gradually begins to fade. Without adding any new chemicals, the unstable intermediate breaks down and the solution changes once again. This demonstrates how reactive intermediates can form and disappear within seconds during a chemical reaction. In just one experiment, we've watched the solution change from yellow to orange to deep blue and finally lose its blue color. This is a perfect demonstration of chemical equilibrium, oxidation chemistry, and the formation of unstable reaction intermediates, all revealed through stunning color changes. Chemistry is amazing. Subscribe to Shock Lab for more incredible chemistry experiments.